Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to enable Ultimate Performance Mode in Windows 11 so you can get maximum performance from your PC. First, right-click the Start button and click Windows Terminal Admin. Now, click inside the terminal window. Type the following command exactly: powercfg-duplicatescheme space E9A42B02-D5D-448D-AA00-03F14749EB61. Press Enter on your keyboard. You won't see much feedback, but the mode is now added to Windows. Now, click the Start button, search for Control Panel, and open it. And go to Hardware and Sound and click Power Options. Expand Show Additional Plans and select Ultimate Performance. This tells Windows to prioritize performance over power saving. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.